All right, everyone. Today we got in an emerald ring off of the 1715 Fleet Shipwreck. There's only 2 emerald rings that we know of so far. We might be a little off on that. The other one is on the cover of this book I'll show you in a second. But this one, the other one is just an emerald ring. This one has 2 amethysts on either side of it. Why don't you go ahead and get started? We've been looking forward to this for a long time. We don't get many artifacts from the Fleet Shipwreck.
Oh man, maybe a tocha.
Yeah, coins are rare, of course, but this is something really kind of special. We bought it direct from the divers, so this came directly from the source.
Grant and Mike.
Yes, Grant and Mike.
So
Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
Thanks, Grant and Mike.
Yeah.
This was found in June of 2022.
Yeah, it's recent.
At about 10 a.m. It was north of the cabin wreck. In about 3.5 feet of water at low tide, 6 feet at high tide. They had blown 6 holes, all empty. On the 7th hole, on the 7th hole,
It looks like costume jewelry. It's so extravagant.
You show them the ring. I'll show
Oh, here, yeah. So got the cover of the Maritime.
This is published by Robert Westrick, marine archaeologist for Queen's Jewels. Great guy. Love Robert. And he did an amazing story on it as well.
The owner of the Queen's Jewels, we were talking to him recently, and he said this kid Grant must have had a golden horseshoe shoved up his ass because the chances of him getting a score like this were so slim because it's all subcontracted and their operation isn't necessarily the biggest. And so for them to uncover something so special.
This was only their 2nd year out.
Yeah.
On the Lilly May.
And they're like, Lilly May, and they're fixing their own boat up in the winter time and stuff. They're doing all their own work.
Shoestring budget. Shoestring budget. These guys did it.
Look at how cool these 2 things look together.
If you need a hammer to put something in.
All right. Thank you for visiting us. Check us all out at pirategoldcoins.com.